when you look back on that time, Trump Mark 1 was very different to Trump Mark 2.
Mm-hmm. I think so. Aside from the fact that he's older and angrier and more bitter, the checks and balances and guardrails that were there before are gone. His first administration, he was surrounded by a lot of traditional Republicans and cabinet members.
The so-called adults in the room.
Would have restrained him a bit. Officials that are now gone from all the different government departments, the State Department, for example, in particular, the Pentagon. America is still a democracy, but I am worried about the health of their democracy. There are midterm elections that are coming up in November, and I think they'll be very significant as to whether the Democrats can take back the House and maybe even the Senate, if they're fair, and also if the result is accepted. Not that long ago, President Trump tried to get the result changed in Georgia, then encouraged a mob to march on Congress to prevent the election being certified. And he's much worse now than he was then. So, you would have to be a little bit worried that the elections in November, if they happen, and I think they will, and if they're free and fair, whether the result will be disputed. Money's hugely important in American elections, much more so than is the case here. Thankfully, we have very strict limits on how much you can accept and how much you can spend, and that's liberating. I probably spent 3 or 4 days a year fundraising. I know my American political colleagues spend half their time fundraising. That's the difference. And you read the British newspapers and you hear about the Prime Minister having a meeting with the top donors to discuss policy. Like I never had a meeting with donors to discuss policy. So it does show the difference here, and it's great that we have those laws in Ireland around finance.